everyone, great to meet you. So I am Janessa, I'm with Cincinnati Life, and I'm going to share my screen here just in a minute so we can look at the worksite life policies, if it'll ever share my screen. Okay, can you all see my screen now? Perfect. Okay, so we'll go through really quick on what voluntary payroll deduction worksite life policies look like for you all and what we can do to help you grow some revenue, retain some clients, and also just really round out your book of business. So we're going to discuss what a group versus individual life insurance product looks like, benefits and features of the program, what eligibility looks like for folks, guaranteed issue versus simplified issue, offering products and riders that we have in the program, and then what the next steps look like in the actual enrollment process. So we'll discuss what that looks like for you all. So the difference between group and individual life insurance, group insurance is typically attached to the core benefits. It's going to be the employer owns these policies. So they have total control of the contract. The employee loses these benefits if they no longer work for that company. So the nice thing with what we offer is these are truly individually owned life insurance policies. They are offered to a group, but they are individually owned. So we do need to see every employee of the business in order to offer a guaranteed issue offering, but we are able to have some flexibility with what we are able to offer because they are individually owned. So the premiums do not change if an employee leaves, they just become billed directly at home instead of payroll deducted. And they have the flexibility to choose what they want to enroll in compared to just being a set, this is what the benefit is of maybe like 25 or 50,000 term, or it's maybe 1 to 3 times their salary. They get to have the flexibility to decide what their needs are. So this program is a great supplement to a group offering. We don't ever try to replace anything that is currently offered. This is just a great way to round out a benefits offering at no cost to the employer. And there are options for not only the employee, but other eligible family members to enroll. So that would be spouses, dependents, or guaranteed issue as well. And then we have options for grandchildren as well. They'll have just a few health questions. Coverage does become effective on the date the application is signed, so the enrollment can happen at any time of the year. It doesn't have to be included with the benefits offering. It's actually, we see better participation on an off-cycle basis because we're able to be educational and take a little more time during the enrollment process. So eligibility guidelines, who is eligible? We need at least 15 employees, 15 employees working at least 20 hours a week, but there is no minimum participation requirement. So we don't have to have like 40% of the group that enrolls in order for everyone to keep their guaranteed issue, which is really nice. We just need to be able to have access to all employees in order to offer the program. Again, there are spouses and children that are guaranteed issue as well, and then grandchildren are going to be simplified issue, meaning just a few health questions. The nice thing too is an employee does not have to purchase for themselves in order for other family members to be eligible. So again, that's the flexible, convenient aspect of the program.